Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix easy anti-cheat is not installed on Brawlhalla. So in this video I will show you two ways how we can fix that, right? So the first way, what you need to do here is to go to library. Currently I have Brawlhalla on Steam, but if you have on, for example, Epic Games, it's quite easy, quite similar. What you need to do here is you need to go to library, then look for Brawlhalla, right click on it, go to properties, installed files, and then press browse. And then you will open up a Brawlhalla folder. And then what you need to do here is to go to easy anti-cheat, and then select easy anti-cheat setup. If you can open easy anti-cheat setup and it's open up, then you just need to find Brawlhalla on the games, and then press repair service or install easy anti-cheat, right? And if you cannot open up easy anti-cheat setup, what you need to do here is to right click on it, go to show more options, and then create shortcut. Right? If you cannot create shortcut on this particular folder, sometimes it puts an error. You will create a shortcut on desktop, and then you can drag it on this folder. And then what you need to do here is to right click on again, go to properties, go to target location here, this, then go all the way to the right, put space, and then you need to write repair. Right? Apply. Okay. Run easy anti-cheat shortcut, and then you should get a black window for a few seconds, and then the window should be gone. And after that, you should run the game, and it should work for you. If it's not working, then try to verify integrity of the game files. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.